Welcome to Matidor. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into budgets, your best friend for tracking project costs like a pro. Let's jump right in. First, open any project and head to the Budget tab. See that handy Add button? Click it to create a new budget. You can set up one or more budgets per project. Choose Default Budget for Matidor's built-in tracking. No integrations needed. Fill out the required information. Matidor offers the option to add your own custom fields. Once ready, click on Save. Pick cost codes from your workspace and add optional amounts, then hit Save. You can edit the cost code amounts anytime. The sum of your cost code amounts will become your total budget in Matidor. Stay on top with automated email alerts at 70%, 90%, and 100% spend for the current project manager. Filter costs by date, like last month, and watch accumulative totals update live. Need reports? Hit Export for PDF summaries of budgets and costs, perfect for sharing. Got Deltek, Harvest, or another accounting system integrated? Pick an integrated budget. It pulls budgets straight from your accounting system. Select an ID from the list, fill details, and save. It auto-syncs daily at 1 a.m. PST or tap to sync. Want more details? Expand to Table View. There you go, budgets mastered. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.